Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, just getting this stuff done, right? Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Krew communicator? Or if it is May 10th, 2023, for the next 2 weeks, if you use my code, you can save 25% on a Krew communicator. So don't waste any time. Go check that out. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness? Then you should become part of the Brew crew and join the coffee page, like all these cool guys here. Boom! Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, down next to those 1,000 Amazon links that also go to the good cause, there is a link that tells you what I am doing with it. So, got it, good, get it, good, done. So today we're going to meet up with Dave. Now, you haven't been seeing Dave on the channel too much because, just like the groundhog, when winter comes around, he just hides in his hole and does not come back out until spring. Well, 6 weeks ago, Dave crawled out of his hobbit hole, saw that there was only 6 weeks left of winter, and started getting his bike ready. Today it's kind of warm, so he has crawled out very, cautiously, sort of a little worried and stuff, but he is getting on his bike. We're heading over to a brewery. I already forgot the name of it. I'm already cursing Dave's name for it, because I did check the menu on it, and it was 15 IPAs and one lager. And I'm like, oh, cool, thanks, guy. Oh, there we go. It is called Abel Ebenezer, whatever, brewing company. It is owned and operated by veterans. So, hey, I will pay some money and support a good cause. But yeah, I will catch up with you after I get to the brewery, which is right here. Oh yeah, there's gonna be dogs there too. Dogs. So yeah, let's get this done. Alright, so we're back on the road. We have escaped the land of 5,000 IPAs, thanks to Dave. We're heading over to 603 to grab some lunch and some non-IPAs, and then we'll decide where we're going to go from there. So we're trying to head over to 603 right now. I'm following Dave, because, this is Dave's thing here. And naturally we're lost. He's trying to tell me we're not lost. We're lost. You know how I know we're lost? Because he only has one glove on, so he's trying to which means he's sitting there working his GPS as frantically as possible to try and figure out where he's going. This is the great thing about not setting up a second microphone. You can't hear Dave, he can't defend himself. It just makes it that much more fun. Alright, so 603 Brewery is only supposed to be 10 minutes away from the brewery we just came from. We've actually been riding for close to an hour now. Dave has no idea where he's going. We're completely lost. I wish Dave could pipe in now and tell you why he's gotten us so lost, but unfortunately I don't have a mic for that. But just take my word for it, he is apologizing profusely through the comms right now, just because we've been so lost. He felt so bad, he bought me another tank of gas. I mean, that's how long we've been riding looking for 603. I have no idea what's going on with him. I think he might be a little tipsy today. I'll keep you guys posted though. So 3 hours and we finally made it to 603. All right, let's get inside and get a beer. I am so thirsty. Hundreds of miles were just laid down. It's crazy.
So Dave, do you want to explain to us why we got lost for 3 hours and you didn't know where you were going?
Because you're an asshole and I didn't get lost.
Apparently, when you get people incredibly lost for hours on end, you choose to reward yourself. With bacon, egg, and cheese burgers.
We're heading to the beach. We're trying to take some back roads. Dave is like, oh, take a left here. And now we're in a church. Oh, I really hope his voice is picking up on my microphone because he's yelling so loud right now. This whole video is just going to be like, Dave got us lost. Oh, this is a good time. I really hope Dave's voice is picking up on my mic. He is very angry right now. All right, so because Dave keeps getting us lost, we have to do our third gas stop. So just so you know, I'm not kidding. Here we go. We're pulling into a gas station. Thanks, Dave. Sure wish we could just get to our location on the first try, but not when you're riding with Dave.
People watching on the beach, if 90% of what you say isn't, oh no, you're at the wrong beach, because that's what makes it fun.
I have no idea what's up with Captain Drug Rug. Oh boy. Alright, so we're just sick and tired of Dave getting us lost nonstop, so we're actually going to be parting ways with him and taking our own way home. It's going to be kind of like Dave's way home, except I'm actually going to get there on the first try and I won't need to stop for 3 gas stops. Someday I'll set up a second mic for Dave and he might be able to defend himself, but for right now, just trust me when I say that Dave's been getting us lost all day. It's totally fact. I feel like I've said it before, and maybe it was even in this exact location, but I honestly don't know how people can live landlocked. I don't know, maybe it's me because I like grew up in New England, but man, to not have like an ocean close by is just weird to me. Even when I lived like down south and stuff, I remember when I first moved down south, there was a dude like trying to sell me on North Carolina, and he was like, dude, you're gonna love it down here. We're 3 hours to the ocean, 3 hours to the mountains. And I'm like, dude, I just came out of like Massachusetts, where I'm like 30 minutes to the beach, 30 minutes to the mountains. Like, I don't know what you got going on down here, but 3 hours either way doesn't sound appealing to me. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be winding down this video, but for some of you newcomers who have not seen the dynamic between Dave and I before, just a small disclaimer, he did not have us lost all day. We did not fuel up like 3 or 4 times. That was just fun messing with Dave, and that's about it. We actually made it to all of our locations pretty quickly and efficiently. And I haven't gotten to ride with Dave in a while, because that part was true. Dave's afraid of the cold. So, you know, he doesn't do the winter riding and stuff that I do. And, you know, whatever. I'm sure once you get some warmer gear, that may change. But this was the first time we've gotten to like really ride together in quite a while. So the camera didn't go on a lot because it was just like catching up and riding and all that other fun stuff, and, you know, living in the moment, not recording content or trying to figure out ways to record content. It's not you, it's me. It's cool, don't worry, I'll make it up to you later. You know, I'm back in Mass now because, well, we got cannabis. I really hope Dave's voice picked up on my microphone at least a little bit. I don't know, I got this helmet pretty well insulated, pretty well dialed in. So it's a toss-up. I think I'm gonna take my Rock helmet and redo it so I can have 2 mics in there. I found a new way to try that might actually work, and I'll get back to you guys on that. So we'll see. And the answer is yes, I still wear my Rock helmet. I was quite serious about that when I said that. I'm not retiring that helmet at all. I still really enjoy it. That's what I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this very sort of chaotic video. I will do my best to edit it down to something that sort of makes sense or flows in some weird way. I don't know. All right, guys, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude who's like, where's the beach, brah? I just showed him. He loves this stuff. And I'll see you all on the flip side.